Hey guys, this is Subhash S. Mishra, your test coach. Today we will learn about browser navigation commands. In our last video, we have learned about browser specific commands like how to open a browser and how to open an URL using get method, how to maximize a browser window, how to delete cookies, how to get title of a page, how to get current URL of your web page, how to get page source, how to close a browser, how to quit a browser, what is the difference between close and quit. So today we will learn about browser navigation commands like how to navigate to a web page and how to move forward or how to move backward or how to refresh a web page. So these are the basic commands available for browser navigation. Navigate to, navigate forward, navigate back and navigate refresh. So let's start. So let me go to our Eclipse and we'll create a new class. Okay, we will name it as browser navigation commands. Okay, so let me just add first two lines. We'll set the property and we'll create the WebDriver and we'll maximize the window. If you don't know about this, just refer to our previous video. Okay, so you'll able to understand why I wrote all these things. So for now I just copy pasted. Okay, I'm not writing it again. Fine. So now what you can do, you want to see what are the navigation commands, right? So just to remind, I have just created a object and using that object we will try to access different methods. So driver dot, just put driver dot and just write navigate. Okay, then you just put a dot and you will see all the different methods available for the navigation. So here you can see back, here you can see forward, here you can see refresh, here you can see to. Okay, so these are the methods available for navigation. So to access the navigation methods, you just need to type driver dot navigate function, then you will automatically see all the public methods of navigate interface. We'll see, we'll go inside navigate and we'll see. And one more thing to remember here, only methods that are followed by navigation keyword are belongs to navigate. So here you can see navigation and you are seeing some boolean and object, right? So other things whatever you are seeing for object keyword and all, right? So those are the generic methods which are from object class in Java. So you will find these methods for every object in Java language. Okay, so let me show you the very fast method, that is driver dot navigate dot to. Okay, so what we do with this method? So first we will go and see what is this method is doing, right? So we are saying void to. Okay, so what it is telling, load a new web page in the current browser window. So how we are using get URL, right? So we are navigating to a URL, it will do the similar things. And if you will notice here, if you go to this navigate function, so this navigate function is part of this navigation interface. Okay, so this navigation is an interface. If you will see here, this is the interface navigation. Okay, and inside that we have different methods like back, forward and to. Okay, and here is also to and refresh. So we are going to talk about these methods. Okay, to is the load a new web page in the current browser window. Okay, so if we mainly if you want to use this navigate to command or to method, it is mainly used to navigate to a URL, or you can use to open a web page in Selenium browser. Okay, so how you will able to do it? So let's go to our, this is the one we are using, right, automationpractice.com. so we will try to navigate to this web page. So what we will write here, I'll just close all these things so you will not get confused. So driver.navigate to will give the URL. So we'll try to navigate to this particular URL using driver.navigate.to function or method. Okay, so we'll go to the next thing. Okay, one more thing. So maybe there will be a question in your mind, what is the difference between get and navigate? Okay, you can use both, there is not much difference. You can use driver.get or you can use driver.navigate.to function. Only thing is, if you are using get, so get method is responsible for loading the page and it will wait until the page has finished loading, where navigate function is only responsible for redirecting the page and then returning immediately. Okay, and get method will not track the history of the browser, whereas navigate method will track the browser history and can perform back and forth in the browser. Okay, so we'll see that how we can go forward, how we can go back. So that is the functionality available in navigate method. Okay, so we'll go to the next one then, that will be your driver dot navigate dot forward. Okay, so it will move you forward, and the next one is driver dot navigate dot back, and one more is driver dot navigate dot refresh. If I'll show you here, so forward is move a single item forward in the browser's history, does nothing if we are on the latest page viewed. And if you will see driver dot back, yeah, it is here, move back a single item in the browser history. Okay, and if you will see refresh the current page. So I'll show you what exactly it does. So if I'll come here, right, this is the automationpractice.com website. So what I'm trying to do here, I have opened this URL and now I'm clicking on this sign in page. Everything whatever I'm doing manually now. Now I'll click on this sign in page, right? So sign in page will load. Okay, now sign in page is loaded. Now I want to go back. Okay, so I will go back from here. Okay, again if I want to go forward and I want to click on the sign in page, I don't really need to click here, I can use forward. And if I want, when I went back, right, in that time I can use back method. So that's what we will try to do using this code. Okay, using this particular code. But before to that, just want to tell you what is this forward method again. Forward method enables the web browser to click on the forward button in the existing browser window. Okay, this method will not take any arguments, also it will not return anything. Okay, similarly, what is the back method will do? Back method enables the web browser to click on the back button in the existing browser window. Okay, again it will also not accept any arguments, it will also not return anything. That's what we saw. Okay, and if we'll talk about the refresh command or refresh method will refresh or reload the current web page in the existing browser window. Okay, so let's see through a code. So first what we are doing here, we are navigating to this URL, and then what we will do, we'll click on this sign in button, right? So let me do one thing, let me inspect and write the XPath for this. So here class is login. So what I will do, I'll just write a, then at the rate class equal to login. So it should identify. Okay, if you don't know how to write XPath, please refer to our previous video. We have already explained how to write XPath. So here what we will do, driver dot find element, okay, by dot XPath, then we'll write the XPath and then dot click. Okay, fine. So we are clicking on this link. Okay, once we click, I'll just add some thread dot slip, so you will able to notice it, else it will be so quick you will not able to see this, right? So let me add some thread dot slip everywhere. So first we navigated to here, then we'll wait some 6 seconds, then we'll click here, then we will go back. Okay, we'll go back, then we'll wait some time, again we'll move forward, again we'll refresh, and then we will close. So for close we can use driver dot close. Okay, so hope you understand what we are trying to do here, right? First we will navigate to this browser, navigate to the browser, and we will open this URL, then we'll click on this particular sign in button, then we will go back. We'll go back means again we'll come to this home page, then again we will move forward means again we'll go back to this sign in page, then we'll refresh. So let's see, when we'll execute you will able to understand. Let me execute it, just notice it. So browser is launched, it is maximized. Now automationpractice.com website is opening. Okay, it is loading, waiting for 6 seconds, right? Now it should click on sign in. Yeah, it clicked. Now we are in the sign in page. Now after 6 seconds again it went back, came to the home page again. Now it should move to the, yeah, it moved to the sign in page again, and here it will refresh. Now see, refresh button is happening, refresh is happening. Okay, now it will close. Yeah, it is closed. So I hope you understand how this navigation works in Selenium, right? So using this navigation command, you can navigate to a particular URL, you can go back, you can go forward, and you can refresh the page. So these are the functionalities available for navigation. So these are the commands, browser navigation commands you can use in Selenium WebDriver. Thank you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to explain it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.